Welcome to the Duke Digital Media Community Day 2 Vodcast of the National Association of Broadcasters 2016 convention in Las Vegas. By Day 2, some folks think that the convention is droning on and on and on and on, but not me. Let's take a look at a few of the highlights from today. Livestream has really transformed itself from a streaming software services company to a real competitor in the hardware streaming business. Coming in at a lower price point than other similar offerings from Newtek and Sony, the new $8,000 Studio HD 550 all-in-one hardware switcher features 5 SDI or HDMI inputs, multi-point chroma key, and the ability to have a remote Mac or Windows client stream their desktop as an input source. Using their $399 Broadcaster Mini or $599 Broadcaster Pro, you can use remote cameras as input sources over a Wi-Fi or cellular network. There is a $799 software-only solution for Windows, Mac is in testing, that will allow you to use your PC as an input device using a card such as the Magewell. The Studio Surface is available for $900, or at the show, you can get it free with the purchase of an HD 550. I finally got to sample the streaming 4K camera called Mevo. This camera takes a single 4K image and then allows you to cut or pan and zoom around as if you were doing camera control, but it is all happening on the single 4K video stream. Here I'm showing how you can operate the camera using their iOS app, but when it's connected to the HD 550, you can pre-select different shots and then switch to them as if they were different cameras. Pretty cool stuff. The augmented reality system from NCAM was definitely the most mind-blowing of the conference so far. The car you see in the video screen is a computer-generated graphic. It's clearly not there in the video, but you can see me interact with it on the composited screen. The camera system has 2 sensors that create a 3D space for the compositing software to understand where any object is in the live-action video space. It then can place the computer-generated object dynamically in front of or behind the live-action figures. Even moving the camera physically moves the virtual object in the real space. If that wasn't enough, they showed me a system that adds the ability to account for ambient color. There is a sensor on the table that is measuring the color, direction, and intensity of the room's lighting. You can see as the lighting in the room changes in color and intensity, the lighting and even the shadows on the model changes as well. This system is designed for on-set pre-visualization of effects as well as data capture for final production composite or live broadcast production. Perhaps this type of augmented reality could have impact on research or medical visualization. While many mainstream manufacturers are shunning the tremendous amount of content being created by so-called non-professionals, Marshall Electronics has developed a number of ingenious, low-cost, high-quality audio and video products aimed squarely at that market. The $249 MM4000 Mini Mixer Plus allows you to mix 4 microphone inputs to a single mono output that can be fed to a DSLR, a mobile device, or via USB to your computer. It can be powered via USB or via AA batteries for a great portable solution. The $80 MM170 condenser microphone provides a limited range cardioid capsule which is great for noisy environments. It also has a mute button and features a 3.5mm jack for use on mobile or computer devices. That's it for today. Be sure to check back each day this week as I highlight some of my favorite finds from the show floor and look for my final detailed report in a few weeks. So long for now.